Howdy, gang, and welcome back to Pool School. Just wanted to give you a friendly reminder since this weekend is Labor Day weekend. You might be having a celebration or festivities with friends and family and loved one, and that might involve water, pools, lakes, beaches, and possibly alcohol. So I would like to remind you all to be safe, have a great time, but don't just watch those kids around water. Have a designated person or two designated people to watch the kids during those festivities. So that way you can have only great memories from this wonderful, wonderful weekend that we celebrate. Also, if you are going to be using alcohol, please know to make wise decisions around the pool, around the beach, and everything. And if you do drink, please don't drive. Have a designated driver or an Uber or Lyft or something like that so you can be safe. And until I see you next time, have a great Labor Day, and I'll talk to you soon.